welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vishali Sharma. So today we will see how to run the basic PHP program on the XAMPP server. So we will see what is the basic PHP tag and how to run the code in the PHP language on XAMPP server. So in this video tutorial, we will see how to run the basic PHP code, the basic PHP program in XAMPP server. So in the last tutorial, I have explained that what is XAMPP. So generally in the PHP file, when we are going to make a PHP web page, there are already some PHP tags and HTML tags inside the PHP file. So generally PHP file contains HTML tags and some PHP scripting tags in which we will write the coding. So in the PHP file, there are some HTML tags and some PHP tags in which we will write the coding. We will write the PHP program code. So PHP statements are always end with semicolon. PHP statements are always ends with, or we can say they terminate with semicolon. So PHP statements always ends with semicolon. Then if we want to end a statement or if we want to terminate a statement, we will use the semicolon after that statement to terminate, or we can say to end that statement. PHP coding is always written in PHP tags. We will write the PHP coding only in the PHP tags. What are these tags? So what are PHP tags? So PHP tags are written as this $PHP, and the coding is written between these tags. So PHP coding is written between these PHP tags. So PHP coding goes between PHP tags and the coding is written between these PHP tags. The next point is PHP coding can be done, or we can say can be written on any editor. PHP coding can be written on any editor. We will use NetBeans in the further tutorials and in this tutorial also. NetBeans IDE. IDE is what? Integrated Development Environment. So we will use the NetBeans IDE for writing the PHP code. So what we have discussed? We discussed PHP file contains HTML tags and the PHP tags. PHP statements always ends with semicolon. PHP coding goes between PHP tags and PHP coding can be written on any editor. We will use NetBeans IDE. So let us write a small program, a small PHP program to understand how to write the PHP program and how to run the PHP program in the XAMPP server. So in this video tutorial, we will see how to run the basic PHP program or the basic PHP coding on the XAMPP server, that is the advanced server for the PHP programs. And we will see how to make a file, how to make a web page, how to save the file and how to run the PHP file. So first of all, we have to go the XAMPP control panel and have to start the Apache and MySQL that we will use in the PHP coding. After that, you have to go to the Apache NetBeans IDE for writing the PHP code. So we will open Apache NetBeans. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes to open the Apache NetBeans IDE. This is an editor to write the PHP coding, as we want an editor to write the PHP coding, so I'm using Apache NetBeans IDE. So open Apache NetBeans IDE. Now we have to go to the file option for making a new project. We will make a new PHP project. Go to new project, select PHP, then PHP application, and then next. After that, give the project name. So I have given the first program 1. So in the source folder, you have to browse the XAMPP and then htdocs and then XAMPP. You have to give this path. You have to select the htdocs and then XAMPP. All the files will be stored in htdocs and then open. Now give a slash after that path and give the project name as you have given in the project name. Same as it is, you have to write the project name. And then next. Then next again. Then next again. And then finish. Now your project is going to create and your project is created. So now see, there are some HTML tags as well as there is PHP tag also. There are the HTML tags, that is the HTML head, body and the PHP tags. We will write the code here. As you can see, the single line comment, put your code here. So we will write the code here. So remove this line. We will use echo. Echo is used to display the output. We will echo hello. We will display hello on the screen and then semicolon as we write the hello in double quotes. So echo, then double quotes, and whatever you want to display, just write in the double quotes and then semicolon to terminate the statement. Echo is used to display the PHP code in the PHP tags. Now we will run this file. Right click and you will see the option run file. Now run the file. So you will see the output, that is hello. On the localhost server, that is hello. So hello is displayed on the localhost server, that is the XAMPP server. So we find the output hello on the screen. Index.php is the default PHP name of the file. Now if you want to make a new file, go to PHP, then PHP web page. Inside that PHP project, give the file name, whatever you want to give, and then finish. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you so much guys. Kindly subscribe my channel and like my videos.